Hello guys, so in this video we are going to show you solar cooker. So it will cook the food with the power of sun. So this is summer has been started and we put our food, anything you can cook in just 3 hours, it will cook a food for you. So let me show you the rice. So here, if you see in this video, you can see the fumes are coming out. Let me show you the fumes. So this is very hot. So this is the rice. It's been cooked very well. So we use the solar cooker, fully nutritious food, and you don't need any gas. So if you're interested in such technology, just drop us the message and we will able to help you how to get it. So this is how you cook food in summer and save your fuel and gas bills. Bye bye.